Who would not dream approximately lengthy lashes and flutter? To attain this result, you could purchase steeply priced cosmetic merchandise, steeply priced mascara, or wrong eyelashes. You may even use eyelash extensions. But earlier than losing a number of money, why don't you strive a reasonably priced and powerful manner to grow your eyelashes thick and beautiful in only 1 month? 1 comb. Worldly sports along with brushing your eyelashes can severely enhance their health. It scales to make blood flow toward your eyelashes. As a result, it stimulates eyelashes, and they started out to develop longer. In addition, brushing your eyelashes will delete all particles and dirt piled up on them. To comb your eyelashes, you could purchase unique brush eyebrows or use which have been very well washed mascara brush. If you upload some drops of Diet E to brush, the effects can be greater prominent. Gently comb your eyelashes for 5 minutes twice one day. You should begin from the foundation and move brush toward the top of your eyelashes. 2. Natural critical oil. Natural oil, coconut, olives, almonds, argan, jojoba, castor, and so on. They offer your eyelash follicles with the vital nutrients, so maintain them happy and healthful. Above that, wealthy critical oil will antioxidants, which can be very crucial in case you need to have speedy eyelash growth. Let's see how you could put together a easy and cheap domestic eyelash care. You will want some drops of castor oil, olives oil, or different oil I mentioned earlier than. Mix with 1 drop of rosemary, lavender, grapeseed, or tea tree oil. You can use smooth eyebrows or mascara brushes, or even your finger. Spread the combination of critical oil to your eyelashes earlier than you visit sleep, and leave overnight. Remember to do that method each nighttime if you need to attain your dreams immediately can be. 3. Petroleum jelly. If you do not have critical oils, petroleum jelly, Vaseline, will do the job. This substance moisturizes and calms fragile and dry eyelashes. It additionally allows them end up thicker and grown longer. Above that, with the aid of making use of petroleum jelly for your eyelashes, you moisturize your eyelids as well. As a result, your pores and skin remains chewy and soft. However, it's miles crucial to your health perform this method correctly. First of all, practice the quantity of beneficent petroleum jelly for your brush, after which cautiously brushing eyelashes for you. Be cautious now no longer to get petroleum jelly in your eyes. After doing this, you could unfold the relaxation of the food for your eyelids. If your pores and skin is sensitive, it is able to cause unwanted reaction, so practice a bit petroleum jelly to the return of your hand in advance, and test your pores and skin for reddish later. After looking after your eyelashes, dip brush in petroleum jelly again, and practice for your decrease eyelashes. If you provide the dependency of doing this method, then do it every night time earlier than going to bed. Your eyelashes gets sufficient moisture now no longer to fall or decide prematurely. For a healthful and balanced diet if you're starvation yourself or, at the contrary, love junk food a bit too much, you won't be incapable of maintain your eyelashes healthful. Lack of nutrients will maximum probably lead to hair loss and susceptible and damaged eyelashes. This is why you need to devour greater merchandise that incorporate protein, meat without fats, poultry, eggs, cheese, milk, and fish, for example. Healthy fats is likewise very crucial to your health. Eat greater leafy vegetables, kale, cauliflower, peas, broccoli, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. And take into account approximately fruit, they are good supply of nutrients. Pay unique interest to guava, oranges fruit, apples, blueberries, strawberries, and cranberry. 5. Green tea. There are many antioxidants in inexperienced tea. These antioxidants, in addition to vitamins, encourage growth of the eyelashes and facilitates your eyelashes come to be thicker and longer. After all, inexperienced tea is the primary component in many beauty merchandise for hair loss remedy. Despite having such magical properties, the remedy of the inexperienced tea tab could be very easy to make. First, wash a cup of inexperienced tea. Let it cool, and use a cotton pad for apply it on your eyelashes. Must do that technique several times one day. If you do it at night, you could go away green tea in your eyelashes all through the night. If you haven't used all of the tea, pour into an hermetic container, and go away it in the fridge. You can use this combination for 3 to 4 days. If you guys follow these steps properly, you might get to see the results. Remember to provide this video a like, display it for your buddies who've troubles with their eyelashes, and join this channel. This way, you will usually live at the wholesome but natural and healthy side of life. Thank you.